Hello students, let's continue where we left. We were on exercise 13b, question number 11. Factorization. In this exercise, we make pairs. So here in the 11th question, you see the question is given in a different way. Okay, they have given the question in a different way. See, they have given x square minus, in the bracket you have a minus 3, then again x, this x is in multiplication with this bracket, okay, minus 3a. So first what you have to do is, you have to open this bracket, okay, open this bracket in the sense, मल्टीप्लाई दिस x इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट. ब्रैकेट को ऐसे ही रहने देना और सिर्फ x को अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करो. x विल गेट मल्टीप्लाइड विद बोथ द टर्म्स. ओके, बिकॉज देयर इज अ माइनस साइन हियर, कीप द ब्रैकेट एज इट इज. सी, कीप द माइनस साइन हियर. x will get multiplied with a, you will get ax. x will get multiplied with 3, there is a minus sign here. x will get multiplied with 3, you will get 3x. Okay, so I have multiplied this x with both the terms. Then last is minus 3a. Now open the brackets. Now this minus sign will open the bracket. So minus ax, this will become minus ax, minus minus plus 3x. Okay, minus 3a. Understood? So now your question is ready for making pairs, for taking common. Now the question is ready. Okay, so let's take common now from these two terms. Here x square or x, I can take x common here, x, so I'll take x common. What will remain? X minus a, okay, plus from here I can take 3 common, 3. So what will remain? X and a. So x minus a. You can see x minus a is same. So both x minus a will come common. I can take x minus a common now. Correct? X minus a common, what will remain? X plus 3. Correct na? Here x minus a is gone, so what will remain? X. Here x minus a is gone, so what will remain? Plus 3. So this will be my final answer. In the same way, in the exact same way, you can solve question number 12. Okay, those who have understood this properly can even pause the video and try this sum on your own. Okay, try this sum on your own. Same steps. First, multiply the x inside. X will get multiplied with b, so bx. X will get multiplied with 2, so 2x minus 2b. Now open the signs, multiply this minus sign inside, so this will become minus bx minus minus plus 2x minus 2b. Okay, now from this term and this term, what all can be taken common? So here from these two terms I can take x common, this x. Here x can be taken common. What will remain? X square में से x गया तो 1x will remain, minus from here this bx, x is taken common. So what is remaining? B is remaining, plus sign. From these two terms, 2x, 2b, I can take 2 common, 2. So here I'll take 2 common. What will remain here? X minus here I take 2 common, what will remain? B. So you can see x minus b, x minus b. Both are same. Now this full bracket x minus b will come common. हमेशा ऐसा ही होता है, x minus b will come common. So what will remain in the bracket? X will remain plus this 2. This is my final answer. You can pause the video and copy the sum. Next, question number 13. A into B. Wait, sorry. This is the question given in a different form, but if you observe carefully, you can solve this sum in 2 steps, 2 simple steps. See, this is one term and this is one term. Here the bracket is b minus c, here the bracket is c minus b. C minus b, यहाँ पे b minus c है, यहाँ पे उल्टा है c minus b. We know that I can make this c minus b, ये c minus b को मैं b minus c बना सकता हूँ, वैसे उल्टा कर सकता हूँ, ठीक है. और उल्टा करेंगे तो क्या होगा? This sign outside, which is the minus sign, will change and it will become plus. So हम क्या करेंगे? Remember, wherever if there is a problem like this कि sign अगर अलग है, मतलब numbers आगे पीछे है, b minus c है, यहाँ पे c minus b है, तो you can change this c minus b and you can make it b minus c. Okay? उससे खाली क्या करना पड़ेगा? जो बाहर की साइन है उसे चेंज कर देना है. Okay, so this c minus b became b minus c and this minus sign became plus. Now from these two brackets I will take b minus c common. Take b minus c common. Okay, b minus c common. What will remain here? b minus c गया तो a बचा, and here b minus c is gone, so d will remain. So plus d. This is your answer. Now, question number 14, similar to question number 11 and 12. First, we'll open the brackets. This b will get multiplied with a and with c. Keep the bracket as it is, only multiply b inside. So this will become ab minus bc minus c. Then, in the next step, multiply this minus sign. So minus into AB is minus AB, minus minus plus BC minus C. Now we'll take common here. So here in this two terms I can take A common. Okay. And there is B square here and there is B here. एक B यहाँ पे और दो B यहाँ पे है. So I can take one B common from these two. So one B also can come common. Okay. Then A and B is taken common. So only B will remain. Minus here A and B both are taken common. So nothing will remain. Nothing will remain means 1. Plus here I can take C common in these two. So here from this BC, C is taken common, B will remain, minus from this C, The c is taken common, nothing remains, means 1 will remain. Okay. Now this b minus c, I'll take b minus c common. Sorry, b minus 1, both brackets are same, so I can take the brackets common. What will remain? Here ab plus here c will remain. Question number 15. Now in this question there is these two brackets. You see a square minus b square minus c square, means these two brackets are not same. If they are not same, I cannot take them common directly. Okay, so I'll have to open the brackets. Let's open the brackets. So this will become a square c, so c will get multiplied here, minus c will get multiplied with b square, so you will get b square c plus a into ab square. AB square, alphabetically a comes first, so I have written a first. A into c square is ac square. Okay. Now we'll have to take common, but don't take common in the first two terms and the last two terms, because if you take common here, you will have c common. Again you will get the first step. यहाँ पे अगर c common लिया इन दोनों terms में, you will again get the first step because इसी को तो open किया था. Okay, so you cannot take common in the first two terms. So take alternate terms. Alternate means this term and this term. Write them together, and these two terms, write them together and see what comes. So ये first second term है ना, first and third term, I'll write them together like this, and these two terms minus b square c minus a square c. Write these two terms together. Okay, and then we'll take common here. Understood why I interchanged? Because if you don't interchange, if you directly take common here in these two terms, you will again get c common and you will again come to the question only. So there is no point taking c common. So that is why what I did, you can take first and last term also. Any two terms but not first two. Take first three or first four. That will do. Okay. So now let's take common here. In these two terms I can take a common, a. One a can come common. Okay. So what will remain? A square में से a गया, so एक a बचेगा. And this c will also remain. Plus यहाँ से भी a गया, so what will remain? B square. Okay. Then I'll take minus sign common. And what is common in these two terms? B square c is ac square. C is common, c. So I'll take c common in the bracket. यहाँ पे c गया, तो what is remaining? B square. This minus sign will become plus. Why plus? Because I have taken the minus sign common here. I have taken minus sign common. So whenever you take minus sign common, the second sign changes. And from this term, a, c square, 1c is taken common. So c will remain. Okay. Now see, these two brackets are same. Plus है ना, तो plus में doesn't matter what comes first and what comes second. Doesn't matter. AC plus b square plus AC both means the same. Okay. No need to change anything. They mean the same. In fact, you can write it like this. AC plus b square. No need to change anything. अगर minus होता ना, and then you have to change now. You have to change the outside sign. If there is a minus sign in between. But plus sign में you can write any term first. Okay. Now these two brackets are same. I'll take the brackets common. We have taken these two brackets AC plus B square as common. Now what will remain here? A, and what will remain here? C. So that is A minus C. Next, question number 16. Let's do it here. Now in this question, we have to make a small arrangement. After that we can take common. Okay, so the small arrangement, the hint you will get that all terms are A, but there are only two terms which have B. So these two terms which have B, write them together, write them next to each other. Okay, so A cube minus A square minus AB. Write this B first, plus B plus this A minus 1. What I did, I just wrote this plus B besides minus A plus B. Okay, इसको पहले लिखा, only that change. Now that will help me in taking common. You have to remember that in this sum. Okay, now in these two terms, first two terms, what can come common? A cube minus A square. What can come common here? You can take A square common. Okay, so this A cube, A will remain, minus A square is taken common, 1 will remain. Okay, from these two terms I can take B common, but there is minus sign also common. So remember, whenever you take minus sign common, the second sign will change. Okay, so take the minus sign common and this B is coming common. What will remain inside? From this AB, B is gone, so A will remain. This plus will become minus. This B is taken common. इन दोनों टर्म्स में से B कॉमन गया तो कुछ नहीं बचा, मीन्स 1 will remain. Okay, plus A minus 1, nothing common. There is nothing common means 1 is common. Okay, now A minus 1, A minus 1, A minus 1. These three brackets are same. If these three brackets are same, I will take the brackets common. A minus 1 common. Now what will remain? A square minus B plus 1. This is the answer. Next, question number 17. AB into C square plus D square minus A square CD minus B square CD. This is the question. Now in this question, I'll open the brackets. Okay, I'll open the brackets. I will get ABC square plus ABD square minus A square CD minus B square CD. Okay, again here you cannot take common in the first two terms, because if you take common here, AB will come common, means again question आ जाएगा वापस, क्योंकि देखो ब्रैकेट ओपन किया है और फिर वापस कॉमन लेंगे तो वापस क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा. ओके, सो क्वेश्चन पे तो नहीं जाना, फर्स्ट स्टेप सेकंड से वापस फर्स्ट, देयर इज नो पॉइंट. सो इसमें क्या करना है, मैंने बताया था, डिवाइड व्हेन यू ओपन द ब्रैकेट्स, आफ्टर ओपनिंग द ब्रैकेट्स टेक कॉमन, डोंट टेक कॉमन इन द फर्स्ट टू टर्म्स, टेक द फर्स्ट टर्म एंड द थर्ड टर्म, इनको साइड साइड में लिखो. ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट टू टर्म्स, ये दो जो है इनको साइड में लिखो, एंड देन टेक कॉमन. So these two terms will come beside each other. ABC square minus ACD square, and this term ABD square minus B square CD. Now I will take common in the two terms. So let's take common here. ABC square A square CD. So what is common? A is common. एक A common आ सकता है. B, there is no B here. C, yes, C square and C. So one C can come common. Okay, what will remain here? A गया और एक C गया. So what is remaining? BC. Minus यहाँ से C गया और एक A गया. तो A and D will remain. So you will have AD. Okay, plus here A, there is no A here, तो A common नहीं आ सकता. B, yes, B है और यहाँ पे B square है, तो one B can come common. Okay, then D square and D, तो एक D common आ सकता है. Bracket. Now यहाँ से एक B गया और एक D गया, तो क्या बचा? A and one D. So AD is remaining. Minus from here D गया और एक B गया, तो क्या बचा? BC. So BC is remaining. Now you see in these two terms, this is BC minus AD, this is AD minus BC. उल्टा है ये, AD minus BC. So how to make this AD minus BC? Reverse it. How to reverse it? Make it BC minus AD. ये बाहर की साइन को चेंज कर देंगे. I have explained you this, that whenever you want to change, turn the bracket, जब बीच में माइनस साइन होती है और आपको उल्टा करना है ब्रैकेट को, so this BC AD minus BC can become BC minus AD if you change this outside sign. तो ये प्लस का हो जाएगा, माइनस, you will have BD, this will become BC minus AD. Now these two are same, BC minus AD, BC minus AD, these two are same, so we will take BC minus AD common. What will remain? AC minus here what will remain? BD. करेक्ट ना? यहाँ से BC माइनस AD गया तो क्या बचा? AC. यहाँ से BC माइनस AD गया, क्या बचा? माइनस BD. So this is your final answer. Next, question number 18. Now this is a simple sum, very simple sum. Directly take common here, take common here. In fact, you can do this sum for homework also. Very simple. In these two terms, A will come common and B will come common. So AB will come common. What will remain here? A गया और एक B गया, तो 2B will remain. Minus A गया, B गया, so Y will remain. Plus here in these two terms you can take C common and one Y common. Okay, so CY will come common. What will remain? 2B minus here C गया और एक Y गया, so Y will remain. 2B minus Y, 2B minus Y same, so take 2B minus Y common. What will remain? AB plus CY. Done. Very simple sum. question number 19. Now this is a special question number 19, where 3 terms will come common. Okay, 3 terms. See, in this 3 terms, ax, 2bx, 3c. So x is same in these 3 terms, so I'll take x common. I will get a plus here x gone, so 2b plus here x is gone, so 3c. Okay, in these 3 numbers, minus, 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 I can take minus sign common. This 6 is nothing but 3 into 2, and this 9 is nothing but 3 into 3. So 3 इधर भी है, 3 इधर भी है, 3 इधर भी है. So I'll take 3 common in the bracket. Take minus sign common. Now what will remain? First here a will remain. Both these sign will become plus, because minus sign तो common ले ली है, तो signs plus हो जाएंगे. Plus here 3 is gone, so 2b will remain. And here 3 is gone, so 3c will remain. Understood? From these 3 terms I have taken common. I have taken 3 as common. So what will remain here? A, यहाँ बचेगा 2 और B, यहाँ बचेगा 3 और C. Now if you observe, this full bracket here and this full bracket is same. So ये पूरा का पूरा bracket common आ जाएगा. Okay. So A plus 2B plus 3C will come common. So यहाँ पे ये पूरा गया तो क्या बचा? सिर्फ x. यहाँ पे ये पूरा गया तो क्या बचा? -3. This is your answer. Now this question number 20 looks like a big question, but it is not so. Just make pairs, 2 terms each, and take common. You can pause the video and try the sum on your own. Take common. So here I can take 2 common and I can take a common. So 2a can come common here. So what will remain? 2a गया तो क्या बचा यहाँ पे? b square c minus full 2a is gone common. So कुछ नहीं बचा, मतलब 1 बचता है. Okay. Here 3 can be taken as common and b, एक b common आ जाएगा यहाँ से भी. So क्या बचेगा यहाँ पे? 3 गया, एक b गया, तो b square c will remain minus ये पूरा 3b गया, so 1 will remain. Okay. Here I can take minus sign, first common आ जाएगी, minus sign है बाहर, so this plus will become minus. I can take 4 common and एक c common आ सकता है यहाँ से, c. So 4c will come common. What will remain here? 4 गया और एक c गया, so b square c will remain minus sign. This पूरा 4c common हो गया, so 1 will remain. If you see, b square c minus 1, b square c minus 1, b square c minus 1, all these 3 brackets are same. So take all these 3 brackets, we will take common b square c minus 1. So what will remain? 2a plus 3b minus 4c. Here 2a will remain, plus here 3b will remain, and plus here minus 4c will remain. Okay. This is my final answer. Okay. With this, we have completed the B exercise of factorization. That's it for today. Thank you.